Pop Life here. Today I'll be making a video unboxing my new MCA suspension. Now I know it's been a while since I made my last video. It's been over a year, but honestly I just really been busy and really just didn't have much good content to bring out to you guys. But I'm going to bring out this video today and show you my new suspension that I got for my new car actually. I'm just going to take off all the tapes and stuff like that so it's easier for me to take out. But yeah, it's a set of MCA Pro Comforts for a Mitsubishi Galant VR4. That's right, the Galant VR4 is there. This is the MCA suspension. It's going to go into it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get into it. In the package, there's more boxes under more boxes in this packaging, so I'm gonna have to pull these out. Just gonna see here how it's like. Yeah, it's like, I think they've actually put the individual shocks and all that in the boxing. Like, this is the most intricate packaging I've ever seen for a coilover kit. It's just incredible. Usually, like on my set of BCs I had for the rally yard, it was literally a box, like a really shallow box, and they were just stuffed in there. But this is very packaged. This is really packaged very well, actually. So I'm gonna pull these apart, and I'm gonna actually show you the actual shocks and springs inside. The cool thing about MCA is that each particular coilover that it's made is actually made specifically for that customer. So, yeah, they give you all the information sheet. They give you what dampening adjustment is, like what they've set from factory, the spring rates, and the recommended ride height. So it's a very well put together package. Like, you, by paying the premium by getting a locally made coilover, you get something that's really decent out of the box. So incredible packaging by MCA, incredible just service, and just incredible paperwork, I guess, that comes with it. It's a really solid package. This is I think one of the front coilovers. Let's see how it feels. Wow. Wow, yeah, build quality is great. Look at that. Just, that is beautiful. Look at, and I like it too because it's not too much. Like, it's very put together. Wow, yeah, that's great. You can really see the build quality. I mean, look at that. Pro Comforts. Wow. Now, like, apparently from factory they've already set the dampening, so I'm not gonna touch that. But yeah, that's really mint. So this is the coilover that's been set down. So you got the spring here, you got the Pro Comfort. So this is what that's the brand, the line that I went with. So this particular coilover is more for like a street application. Basically I figured, because the nature of the Galant, I'm not going to be tracking it or anything like that. It's basically just going to be a street cruiser. So I basically decided I basically talked to Josh, who is one of the sales representatives from MCA, and he basically told me like what kind of driving I'll be. And I said, you know, a bit of spirited driving on the street, and he basically recommended the Pro Comforts. Now these are supposed to be very comfortable for a like a coilover, because usually I'm used to coilovers which are very harsh and very just annoying to use on the road, but apparently this is a very good spring rate and it's very easy to drive on. So basically this is the rear. I wasn't going to show you the rear, but I might as well anyways. So basically they're basically the same, just a bit more taller. You got your dampening there as usual, and then you got, so the only difference is at the bottom here, you know, you got this link joint, and I've never noticed there's no actual camber adjustment on this particular coilover, because apparently on the Galant it's just camber. You need to get camber arms and all that stuff. It's not as easy as like the RA, where there was actual camber bolts and stuff like that. A camber adjustment on the coilover on the top hat. So yeah, that's the rear. And now I will show you the tools that come with it. So really nicely, they actually included this but this MCA like velvety bag is really nice actually. And inside it, I'll open it. is basically the tools you get at the back. So you get some extenders for the rears. Obviously, you know, it being in the back, you need some extenders so you can adjust it. Otherwise, it's a bit of an annoying situation every time you have to go and try and adjust. And this is the C-spanner that comes with it, so MCA suspension branded. And yeah, so coming out, this is basically what you get. There's a rear one, front one, the box, which is very nicely packaged. You got this nice cool velvet bag for your tools, C-spanner, and some extenders. So yeah, was the MCA Pro Comforts for my new Galant. And yeah, it's a really nice box. I'm really happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and peace.